everyone, we're going to evaluate the given integral, and we're going to use substitution. So the first thing I want to do is determine if I want to use this one or this one. So since we have cosine to the fourth power, and that's an even power, I'm going to use this substitution here. So that signifies when I use that, I'm going to say it like that. I'm going to write equal with the cosine, the symbol C. So the first thing we're going to do is we want to use this substitution, so let's write it so we can use that. So I'm going to rewrite this as sine squared theta, and then I'm going to write cosine to the fourth is going to be cosine to the fourth theta, and then just put your sine theta d theta here. And the reason I'm doing that is so I can get this part right in here. So now let's simplify even further and write this as sine squared is going to be 1 minus cosine squared of theta. We want as much cosine as possible, and then we have our sine theta d theta. All right, next I'm going to use my u substitution, so I'm going to write this. So I'm going to get 1 minus u is cosine, so I'll write u squared. Then I have u to the fourth, and then I know that sine theta d theta is going to be here, so that's negative du. So what we're going to have to do is put negative du here. Because that's negative right there. Okay, so let's write it again. So we have, for our substitution, we're doing 1 minus u squared, u to the fourth, negative du. So that's going to, let's distribute here. This is going to simplify as u to the sixth minus u to the fourth du. All I did was multiply this, and when you multiply that, you can rewrite that as this. So that's what I did, and then I cleaned it up, distributed the u to the fourth. All right, now we can just substitute back in, and when you do that, we're going to get, let's integrate it. You're going to get 1, let's do that, 1 divided by 7, u to the seventh, minus 1 to the fifth, or 1 over 5, u to the fifth plus c. Now substitute back in. So this is going to be 1/7. Remember, u is cosine, so cosine to the seventh power minus 1/5 cosine theta to the fifth power plus c. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.